Let's see if we can get this thing put back together in any sort of fashion that resembles what it looked like when we took it apart. We have two different parts. Definitely know how they go back together. Not even a little bit of a question on that. I'm guessing there's like a front bearing and a back bearing. So I'm thinking those little pins in there separate the two, and that's kind of like your front and back total distance of travel. That's how those clip in there. I'm guessing. Let's go see if we can find a rivet. There, we got it. All right, so this is what we're going for when we put it back together. It's close. Don't mind that. We're still whole. No, this is fine. It's super fun. I just want to quit right now is all. We are making progress, people. I know it doesn't seem like it. Huh. That's fine. Little tab back down. Spring I gotta put back on. Okay. A lot better.